How to disable chat messages in Carrom Pool game. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Carrom Pool game and tired of distracting chat messages, then you can easily disable them. First of all, launch open the Carrom Pool game on a device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the gear icon. Once you're inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, scroll down under game option and disable the switch right next to chat messages. Once you have this button turned off, you'll be able to disable distracting chat messages in the game. That's it. You can now enjoy Carrom Pool without distractions, making every strike and combo more fun. You can always switch it back on whenever you need by coming to the same menu and repeating the step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.